Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, class PG. I hope you are all fine. So, today our subject is maths, and today we are going to learn the letter 3. What we are going to learn? The letter 3. Previously, we have done 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Now we are going to write and learn the digit 3. So open your books with me and open the page 14. Open the page 14 and look at the top. Here it is written, color the helicopter and count. Color the helicopter and count. First we are going to read THREE. What is the spelling of 3? Read it with me. THREE. Now count the helicopters with me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now kids, you have to color this helicopter according to these helicopters, and then you have to write the digit 3 which is written on the page 15. Look at the page 15. There is a big 3. I will trace it and you have to do it with me. Now let's start from top. Follow the dots. Make a tummy and then move down. Follow the dots and make another tummy. So here we have 3. We have 3. Now you have to write all these 3 which are written on page 15 and send it to the WhatsApp number. Thank you.